Hello everyone, I am Yogesh and welcome to my channel Operations Funda. Like and share the video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos on operations management. Today's session is on prioritization matrix. It is very necessary to select right project, and selected project must be in alignment with organizational goals and to be completed in available resources. This ensures its efficiency and effectivity as well. So prioritization matrix is a tool which helps project manager to select a project to be started on priority, considering various factors affecting project. So let's begin with how to create prioritization matrix in Excel. So here we have a sample prioritization matrix. You can see this column we have listed names of projects available in our organization, and here is a list of factors which affect our project, like returns from project, project feasibility, resources, acceptance by higher management, and here is total. Total is always 100, that is 100%. So how we distribute this weighted average depends upon our organizational culture. So for us, if return is most important thing, so we have weighted return as 40. Feasibility is second importance, so it's weighted as 30. Resources as 20, and so on. So as you can see, here is some ratings given by management. Like first project have 5 rating for returns because it has higher amount of return after the project is completed. So this is 2, so it has lowest amount of returns. Secondly, in case of resources, lesser the resources required, higher is the rating given. So it depends upon factor, which factor you are considering. Now what we need to do is, we need to calculate our weighted average for each and every project. So let's start from the first. What we'll do is, we'll calculate rating into weighted average plus rating of second factor multiply by weighted average of second factor plus rating of third factor multiply by average of third factor plus rating of fourth factor multiply by weighted average of fourth factor. Similarly, we have also calculated total weighted average for other projects. Now as you can see, 450 is the highest weighted average, that is for project 1. This means project 1 will give highest return. As a Six Sigma project manager, it is very necessary to understand which project is going to give you much benefit and accordingly select the project. So that only about rating. Rating can be given as per your convenience, like rating can be 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. So it completely depends upon you. Thank you so much for being here, and stay tuned for more tools and techniques on Six Sigma.